Marie, what did your fortune cookie say? Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
kick back, relaxing. What did it say? That's right. It said, don't give in to cynicism, huh? Can you spell cynicism? That's right. You are so smart. You are so smart for a little girl. You sure do know a lot. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Bye. What's it got? Oh, you can't have it. Oh, it's gonna go in his or in her mouth.
Oh.
There you go. Oh. That was cool, huh? Where'd he go? Oh, look at her. Say bye, Marie.